This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson, you will learn how to customize Excel worksheet printout using sheet options in Excel. An Excel sheet, also called a worksheet, is a single page or a document in an Excel workbook with a collection of cells to help us organize the data. Based on requirements, an Excel workbook can have many sheets. Excel provides various sheet options for printing purposes, like generally circular lines aren't printed. Excel has all the basic and advanced options present on its ribbon. Likewise, some quick sheet options are also present on the Excel ribbon and can be accessed by going to Page Layout Sheet Options. Headings view allows users to show or hide headings within the active worksheet. Turning off this option removes the headings from the current sheet's headers or footers. Grid lines view allows users to show or hide grid lines within the active worksheet. Turning off this option removes the grid lines from the sheet and displays a blank Excel sheet. Also, you can go to View and Show options provides checkboxes to show or hide grid lines, headings, or formula bar. Grid lines print allows users to show or hide grid lines on an Excel document that will be printed on paper. Headings print allows users to show or hide headings on an Excel document which is to be printed on paper. We also see a small box with an arrow icon on the corner of the Sheet Options group. It is usually called the More button for accessing advanced options for the corresponding group or category. There are different print options, and I try to change page orientation into landscape. There is a button that you can use to switch the sheet direction. This option is used for some languages such as Arabic, Persian, etc. Also, you can use advanced options to change default direction to right to left or vice versa. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.